Hello everyone. So today is our last day here sa Pinoy Big Brother house. But it's okay because our memories in our hearts will stay forever. And for that, Animo Lasal.
Bye-bye. Hi, we'll miss you.
Alam mo na sandali, kailan ba naging madali?
True.
Tayo kung sa akin mo
That's
ay
true.
walang magagawa.
Hi, boss.
O ipangako mo, walang magbabago.
Thank you for sponsor. Hello. Thanks for that, huh? No, thank you. Ano kasi? The other... Yeah.
Walang magbabago hanggang muling magkita tayo.
Eh.
Sana sandali. Sandali. Tayo magkikita muli. Kahit tayo sa aking
Hello everyone. So today is our last day here sa Pinoy Big Brother house. But it's okay because our memories in our hearts will stay forever. And for that, Animo Lasal.
Bye-bye.
Hello world, hello Philippines! Kasama ko si Chicks. Andito yung baby ni Chicks! Say hi, Catalina! Andito tayo sa Pinoy Big Brother house. At ayun yung swimming pools.
We're back inside.
Pero wala na yung puno ng nyog.
Nene! Nene! Huwag matakot! Huwag matakot! Big winner! Nene Tamayo!
Magpapaalam na tayo sa Pilipinas. This is where I met your mom. Alam, Kuya! Maraming salamat, Kuya, sa pagtanggap mo sa amin sa Pinoy Big Brother House, sa opportunity, at sa mga magandang alaala, at sa pagkakataon na mabago ang aming buhay. Maraming salamat. Paalam, Big Brother House.
Favorite memory ko po dito yung first ever swimming namin. Meron pong isang housemate na naglakas loob na pumasok sa confession room para ipaalam kung pwede kami mag-swimming. And then, ayun, pumayag naman si Kuya. And then all of us 20 jumped in na sa pool.
Nung kompleto pa kami, as in, everyday, parang sumasayaw kami pag wake up call. Nung kompleto na yung Ultimate 8, as in, like, puro spa. Parang pinapamper kami ni Kuya nung last week. Tapos, nag-sleepover kami sa labas. Parang first time yun in the entire season. So, ayun, nag-enjoy talaga kami doon.
Kung saan ka man mag-relocate, kuya, susundan kita. Wala na yung green couch, wala na eh. Doon kasi nangyayari lahat ng mga deep talks, ganyan. Nandito yung green couch, wala na.
Yung favorite spot ko pa, actually top 3 po. First is yung sa altar and then dun po sa gilid po ng living room kasi dun po ako natutulog, dun po ako nagtatago na kung saan hindi ako nahanap ni Kuya at hindi ako nababasa at hindi ako napapatawag sa confession room. And of course, sa garden area po, doon po. Yung may couch po kasi dun sa may gilid po. Ay, wala dito, pero yung green couch po, dito sa garden area. Kasi sa green couch po nangyayari lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na kailangan namin ma-realize.
Honestly, it feels sad in a way kasi this has been my home for at least 3 weeks then. So, yeah, it's sad to see it go but so excited for the new beginnings that will come.
Ano ba yun? Anong mangyayari? Bakit, kuya, ba't aalis ka na?
Honestly, everything about the house naging favorite ko kasi ano na siya eh, part of a memory na siya na hindi na rin mawawala talaga. Yeah, everything about the house. So I can't pick one, but yeah, I love everything about it.
Favorite memory ko? Wala, everyday. Nung nasa loob ako dito ng bahay, Kasi everyday talaga, parang i-cherish mo siya every moment kasi di mo alam kailan ka may evict. Kaya ayun, everyday talaga.
Siyempre, yung couch, kasi sobrang sobrang dami nangyari. Di ba bro? Favorite spot ko to. Sobrang dami nangyari dyan. Alam nila yan.
Yung andyan kami nasa garden area kami. Punong-puno kami as in. Hindi ko alam kung first week yun o second week yung nagawa na namin yung full choreo ng sikat na sikat ang Pinoy. Yun yung first time na as in feel ko na buo kami.
Nung pumasok kami, everything was so new. Felt like a dream na grabe. First time ko rin makapasok dun sa loob ng bahay. So, maybe first day namin dito sa loob ng bahay.
Iyak ka pa sa toilet?
Hindi ako, pero...
I think halos lahat umiiyak talaga sa CR pag hindi na talaga kaya, when you want some privacy and stuff.
Sa totoo lang, yung buong stay ko talaga dito, unforgettable. Yung bawat araw, ang dami nangyari sa isang araw na hindi ko makakalimutan. And of course, syempre kasama na yung samahan namin lahat ng mga housemates ko.
Grabe, ang dami kong mga alaala sa bahay na ito. Dito ko talaga masasabi na nag-grow ako. Dito ko naramdaman na kahit, 24 years old lang ako. Pakiramdam ko, parang dito ako 30 years old.
Sad to see that this house is gonna be gone whenever you pass by here. Naging monument na talaga siya eh. Parang tourist visit na for you to come to PBB. So now that this will be gone, it's just super sad. But I know we'll create more bigger memories, better memories with whatever news that is gonna come also.
This has been 20 years. I was part of the OG season 1. Siyempre, it was an experience I'll never forget. It started my whole career, so malaking salamat sa bahay ni Kuya just for everything. So I thought wala ng PBB, but at least tuloy pa rin, just lilipat lang. But this is just the iconic house. Yeah. Always gonna be thankful for this house.
Favorite spot ko yung sa labas, yung may treadmill, sa may swimming pool. And of course, yung confession room. Nandun lahat ng kaba eh.
Siguro yung gumagawa kami ng kanta. Lahat ng mga nagawa namin ni KD na kanta. Man! Sa totoo lang, ang dami nagpa-flashback sa akin. Nanginginig yung balahibo ko. Thank you, Kuya, for the memories. I guess, dito na tayo. I can't wait to see the next house.
I miss the place, definitely, but what made the memories were people around me. And I'll definitely look back and probably message them again after this. Thank you for the memories and thank you for making me stronger. You didn't know how much you made me stronger. Salamat po, Kuya.
It's quite sad, pero it's part of the adventure. I had so many memories here, especially when I was inside. It's sad to see it go, pero it's a start of a new journey.
Siguro it would be the times that we were here. Kasi parang sobrang pure. And considering it was the first time that I was in Manila too. Yeah, I would have to say those are my favorite times. Kasi dito talaga kami nagkakwentuhan ng mga girls eh. Yeah, I miss the bonding.
I'm excited. I'm excited to see the new house. PBB, after all these years, hindi siya nag-fade eh. Mas nag-evolve na nag-evolve. Pero from one victory to another, level up lang talaga. So exciting.
I guess one of my favorite memories is, entering. Kasi that's like where everything's like happening. And when I went through the door, I just felt that all over again. Kasi I'm meeting some of the new housemates that have entered the house since I have entered. It's great kasi at the same time, the first day is when you have no idea what's gonna happen. And it's just very exciting.
Siguro, ang masasabi ko lang is, it was the best time po para sa akin kasi nga it was a stepping stone sa akin na miss na makilala ng buong tao at nakakamiss lahat.
Ang favorite memory ko sa bahay ni Kuya is yung pagkapasok ko, yung tinanggal yung blindfold ko na sabi ni Kuya, tanggalin ang iyong blindfold. Tapos yun parang nagsikita sa akin, oh my God, nandito na ako sa bahay ni Kuya. So yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan, syempre.
Iconic na tong area na to eh. Parang pinupuntahan to regardless may season man or wala. The people love this house so much and iba yung investment of emotions dito. Not just voting period, pero mahal to ng mga Pilipino eh. Part na to ng kultura ng bansa natin. So, sad but also grateful.
Sobrang dami ng memories ko dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero hindi ko alam, yung pagpasok ko dito talaga sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talaga naging emotional ako. Tapos ngayon, gusto ko lang na dito sa labas kasi marami din kaming memories na nangyari dito. Mamimiss ko tong bahay.